Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. The rooms are all on the two bays. They have different floors. Quick click if you will. Room 12. This is room number 207 on the second floor. You enter, you have your cupboard. It's in each cupboard with all your things there. You have your tea coffee maker. Your luggage rack and your shoe rack is there. This is the corridor. The toilet is here. Have a huge mirror here. This is the bed. The fridge there. That's the view. We have a ocean view room. It's wonderful. You get to see the Bay of Bengal just sitting in your room. It's awesome. That's the property you can see. And you can see this from the bed. Bye for now and do subscribe to our channel.